This is the sw-1 build. Put my fiberglass weave on it. It's Henry's brand. And 3M90. So, APP. It's ready for the other side. These carbon fiber spars are, they're both 5mm, so they're in the rules. And it's just 15mm EPP. Alright, so this is the sw-1. Finished putting the weave on the top and bottom sides of the plane, the fiberglass weave. Right now I gotta put the tape all around the leading edges to keep them in secure, and connect the top and the bottom layers of the weave together. So, okay, we got the main fuselage fully sanded out. Well, there are a couple little ridges in it, but the main part of the fuselage is all sanded out. As you can see, there's shavings everywhere. So I'm gonna glue this on to the plane with the S spray adhesive, and alright, we also got the bottom. Alright, we got the bottom part of the main fuselage done too. The bottom part, I'm deciding whether I'm gonna put it on or not. I'm pretty sure I am, but to make it a little stronger, I think it'll be a bit more better. It won't reach to the full length of the fuselage. It'll just reach for most of it, which is all I really need because it's just the bottom. Okay, I got the main fuselage on top of it. Still have to do sanding around the front because it's a little bit rough. And I put a little piece of carbon fiber rod there because that was a little bit bendy. And I put my piece on the bottom. And I installed one of the elevons. I do not have enough balsa for the other side because I did a double layer there. So I only have one side. I gotta get more balsa for the other side. It's pretty good, but I gotta wait to get more parts in. So that pretty much wraps up this part of the video.